Now we're going to use the TI-84 calculator to construct a confidence interval for a population mean when we're given summary statistics. A sample of 20 observations has a sample mean of 39 and sample standard deviation of 2. Construct a 90% confidence interval for the population mean. Round to 2 decimal places. Before using the calculator, let's identify the information we're given. The sample size is 20, the sample mean is 39, and the sample standard deviation is 2. The confidence level is 90%. Since the population standard deviation is unknown, we'll use a T-interval. Now, let's use a TI-84 calculator to construct the confidence interval. In this video, I am going to show you how to use a TI-84 calculator to construct the confidence interval for population mean. First, press Stat, move to Test menu, scroll down, and select T-interval. Then press Enter. Depending on your calculator model, you may see two options, Data and Stats. In this problem, we'll choose Stats because we're given the summary statistic, not the raw data. Enter. X bar is the sample mean. In this case, is 39. Sx is the sample standard deviation. In this problem, the standard deviation equals 2. N is the sample size, which is 20. For the confidence level, enter 0.90. Highlight Calculate and press Enter. And this is our confidence interval. The calculator gives this confidence interval, and the question is asking for 2 decimal places. So we're going to round these numbers. So we have 38.23 and 39.77. Notice that the calculator reports the answer in the interval notation. The first number, 38.23, is the lower bound. And the second number, 39.77, is the upper bound. So this is our confidence interval. If the question asks for the confidence interval, you can write the answer using this format. You could also write it as 38.23 less than mu less than 39.77. We use mu here because we're estimating the population mean. This simply means that the population mean is in between 38.23 and 39.77. Both forms represent the same confidence interval, but this is the interval notation, and this is the inequality notation. Now, let's interpret the confidence interval. A common mistake is to simply copy the numbers from the calculator. Instead, we should write the interpretation in a complete sentence. The interpretation is, we are 90% confident that the population mean is in between 38.23 and 39.77. Notice that we always include 3 pieces of information: the confidence level, the population parameter we are estimating, and the lower and upper bounds. You can use this same sentence structure for almost every confidence interval problem. Just replace the confidence level and the two endpoints.